Good evening, students. Today let us start a new topic, motion. Our main objective of this video is to learn uh, average speed, average velocity, distance, displacement and acceleration. So let us start motion. Okay, let us say there is a house and a student travels from his house to his school. This is school. And the path is like this. So from house to school, the path travels by the student is like this. So if he travels 2 kilometer here in this path, so we can say the distance is 2 kilometer. But if we consider the shortest distance between house and school, then this distance will be lesser than 2 kilometer. Let's say this distance is 1 kilometer. So this distance is known as displacement. So displacement is here. One kilometer. So what is the basic difference between distance and displacement? So distance is the path traveled by a person is known as distance. Then what is displacement? Displacement is the shortest distance traveled by a person from his starting point to end point. So displacement is nothing but it is a shortest distance between starting point and end point. So we understood the basic difference between distance and displacement. From this definition we can say displacement can never higher than distance. Displacement can never higher than distance. But distance and displacement can be equal. If the path is straight only, then the distance and displacement both are equal. And again we can say displacement can never be bigger than distance. So this is all about distance and displacement. Now let us say speed. This is the speed is all known to us. This is nothing but distance traveled by time taken. So speed is nothing but distance traveled by time taken. So in this previous example we can say the distance is 2 kilometer, and if the person takes 30 minutes to travel this distance, then the speed of the student will be how much? We can write here 2 kilometer in 30 minutes. So we can write here it is 30 minutes. So distance traveled is 200 meter and time taken is 30 minutes, that is 30 into 60 seconds. So we can calculate it. Cut 2, 10, 2, 3. So 10 by 9 meter per second. So this is the speed of the student. The formula is distance traveled by time, total time taken. Then what is velocity? Velocity is displacement divided by time. So in our previous example, the displacement is 1 kilometer and time taken is 30 minutes only, because though this is the displacement of the student, but in order to reach from here to here, he takes 30 minutes only. So displacement divided by time taken by the student. So displacement is 1 kilometer, that means we can say 1000 meter, and time taken 30 minutes, 30 into 60 seconds. Again cut, it will be 10 by 18, that is 5 by 9 meter per second. So here speed is 5 by 9 meter per second. Sorry, velocity. So we are getting two different values of speed and velocity. In previous case we got speed equals to 10 by 9 meter per second, and here the velocity is 5 by 9 meter per second. So this is all about distance, displacement, speed and velocity. Let us talk about acceleration. Let us say a car starts from point A. When it starts, its speeds keep on increasing. So that means we can say the speed of the car is increasing with time, and this is known as acceleration. So acceleration equals to rate of change of velocity with respect to time. So we can say acceleration is rate of change of velocity with respect to time. So we can say final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time is otherwise called acceleration. This is change in velocity. If we divide change in velocity with time, that is called rate of change of velocity, and rate of change of velocity is otherwise called acceleration. So this is acceleration. And the formula which we use to do numericals in this case, in motion, there are three formulas: V equals to U plus AT, S equals to UT plus half AT square, and V square equals to U square plus 2AS. These three formulas are very important as far as your numericals are concerned. And one thing which is very important, that is called average speed and average velocity. So what is this average speed? Average speed is nothing but distance traveled by time. And what is average velocity? Average velocity is initial velocity plus final velocity divided by 2. There is another formula for average velocity. We can say average velocity is also total displacement divided by total time. So we can calculate average velocity in using two different formulas. One is initial velocity plus final velocity divided by 2. If these two values are given, initial velocity and final velocity, these two values are given, we can add it, and if we divide it with 2, then we will get average velocity. And also we can calculate average velocity with this formula, total displacement divided by total time. This will also give you average velocity. Thank you very much.